Heavy snow continues to fall across the state. We want to go behind the scenes and talk to some of the workers right there on the front line.
Yeah, joining us live via Zoom is Connecticut State Police Trooper Raimonda Juta to see how troopers are keeping our roads safe during the blizzard. First of all, thank you so much for your time this morning and, of course, what all those troopers are doing out there. We've been very concerned seeing tractor trailers jackknifed on the highways. There are drivers stranded out there. Good morning to you. Can you talk to us about why we're seeing this out there? I mean, are people just not listening to the warnings? What are you experiencing?
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me. Well, one thing I can assure you is that troopers are out during the snowstorm, patrolling the highways, the roadways. And since the snowstorm began, they've responded to numerous accidents and even more motorist assist. And as you know, the commercial motor vehicles, there's a restriction for them traveling on the limited access highways. But unfortunately, they're still out there, and our troopers are addressing them.
What advice are you giving to drivers who have to go out in these conditions? I'm thinking about doctors or emergency personnel who have to get somewhere. What is the advice you have from the state police level?
Absolutely. Well, first and foremost, if you don't have to go out, if it's not urgent, we strongly encourage you to stay home. That's going to be your safest bet. But of course, if you do have to go out, make sure that your vehicle is fit to do so, that you don't have any bald tires, you have enough gas, you have your cell phone that's fully charged with you, and that you clean your vehicle from the snow. Obviously, a lot of snow has come down. It's built up a lot. So DOT is out there trying to clear the roadways. But of course, to kind of address that, take it slow. They can only do so much on the roadways as far as clearing them up. So I'd say the top two tips is, of course, cleaning your vehicle and taking it slow. Leave yourself some time, a gap for you to get to your destination.
And we have been pretty concerned seeing people get out of their vehicles. Just a quick reminder, what exactly are you supposed to do if you find yourself in a spin-out situation or stranded alone on the highway?
Absolutely. Well, first and foremost, if that does happen to you, stay in your vehicle. We don't want you getting outside your vehicle. Of course, if there's the risk of other vehicles spinning out, getting into collisions, it's more of a risk when you're outside your vehicle. So stay in your car and immediately dial 911, give them your location and tell them what's going on. So that way troopers can get there safely so they can address it and help you with whatever you need.
All right, Trooper Juta, thank you very much for being with us
Thank you.
this morning.